$9. Pard. Toolkit Depot. What's this all about? Okay, so what exactly is Toolkit Depot? I believe it's somehow an offshoot of Bunnings. I think it was Adelaide Tools. I'm pretty sure I read that somewhere. And the strange thing is that of all the places in Australia that they could set up, we have one in Gympie, which is between, oh well, it's on the way from Brisbane to Biggenden if I go up the coast road. So taking the chance, I pulled in there today and had a bit of a look. Now they have their own kind of house brand, which is called Pard Hardware Industrial, and I bought the wire strippers we saw before, although they don't list them on their website at all, and a lot of the stuff was on clearance, so I don't know whether they've decided just not to stick with that brand or not. But anyway, and even when I go on Pard Industrial's website, there's no sign of the wire strippers either. So we'll have a better look at the wire strippers. I've never had a pair like this. We'll see if they work, and yeah, what sort of quality they are. Yeah, so here we have it. Pard 617180 wire strippers, 180mm, 7-inch, made in Taiwan. Absolutely no other information there about them. So we have a screw here. I'm going to assume that is the set of depth, so that you can kind of tune it to whatever thickness of wire you have. So I don't, like I said, I've never used one of these before. I'll assume that that's what that thing is. And we will pop a piece of wire in the end. And I don't think there's any disagreement that that did a pretty good job. It took a bit of force to pull. It's probably no worse than a cheapy pair of wire strippers, which is what it actually is. Now this here, she's a fair bit thicker, so we'll just adjust it in a bit. I mean, I think this would be good if you're doing all the one size, because honestly the adjusting for different sizes would get to be a bit of a pain. But, you know, that's done a fairly good job. Now this is quite old wire, even though it's still on the drum. And the other thing, of course, is I didn't twist it. Maybe if I twist it, that will start to cut and make it easier to separate. It certainly did. Just try not to be too close to other things, because I've just slammed my knuckles into my Milwaukee charger. And it's about 6 degrees here, so that wasn't fun. Okay, so we've got no movement there. We've got a nice name and the model number engraved. Nice comfortable grips. It's not claiming to be VDE. There's nothing on here about a warranty or anything, so I don't know how you'd go. Like I say, Toolkit Depot seem to be getting out of this brand. So I don't know, it might be a good tool if you're lucky enough to be near a Toolkit Depot and you think you'd like something like this. It's probably worth grabbing. I'll definitely be using it, so yeah, I think it's worth $9, probably more, but you get what you pay for, so we'll just have to see how it lasts. Thank you.